Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Welups blockchain token. Ticker symbol is Welups. We're going to go over the information on this token here in just 1 second and how you can get it. That's actually a coin. I'm just saying token because, you know, whatevs. But anyways, we're going to go over the information on this token here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. Now, I use token and coin interchangeably on this channel. A lot of people do that. A lot of people like to correct people and go, it's not a coin, it's a token. It's not a token, it's a coin. I know this is a coin, so chill. Anyways, so if you want to get this token, you can go over to 4 different central exchanges that it's listed on. You can get this token off LBank, XT, KRAKEN, or IndoX. So basically on all 4 of those central exchanges, it is paired with USDT. So let's say you use LBank, you just open an LBank account by downloading the app from the mobile store there or on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and then you would search Welups, WELUPS, and then you simply just buy the token that way, and you can get it off XT, KRAKEN, IndoX, or LBank. So, on CoinMarketCap, they have a webpage, Welups.com. They have their own block explorer, Wels scan you could check out. They have Twitter, Reddit, Medium, LinkedIn, Telegram, GitHub, and a full white paper on here, as well as the price and chart. So they're doing very well today. I believe they were in the top gainer section earlier. Right now they're up 38.48%, so they're doing pretty good. So Welups is a robust blockchain ecosystem designed and developed by the Welups Foundation, which follows the philosophy of decentralize the web. There are multiple kinds of products involved in the Welups ecosystem, including public chain, wallet client, decentralized applications, etc. These products are closely related to each other, and together this supports the stability of the whole ecosystem. So on the Welups public chain, it says Welups public chain is a decentralized blockchain network implemented based on the Welups protocol, performs as the core of the Welups ecosystem. Launched on August 2021, many things can be done through Welups public chain, including token assets issuing, dApp deployment and running, stake and vote for gains, asset transferring, etc. Welups public chain is one of the most secure public chain systems at present. The reason is it's outstanding. Why it's outstanding is that the blockchain runs in a decentralized network environment in which creation and storage of the data do not rely on specific individuals or organizations, and the data is ensured to be never changed by cryptography. Welups blockchain has better operational efficiency and stability than most public chains due to a well-designed architecture and code. So Welups public chain realizes the design of highly abstract modularization, awesome word. It separates the system into several core modules, including underlying network, data storage, consensus, transaction, actuator, WVM, and application layer interface. The underlying network module is a set of customizable and efficient message response systems built based on NETI, a high-performance network framework. The underlying network module is separated into 2 modules, node communication and node discovery. Node discovery is implemented based on the KDEM-LEA algorithm. It meets the requirements of node discovery in decentralized network environments and can defend eclipse at witch attacks by a set of node scoring mechanisms. The node communication module uses TCP for data transfer. Based on this, a flexible and extensible message registration response mechanism is designed on the business layer. So it says, we have designed a data storage module that can support fast rollback in an in-memory database, the Chaos DB, for fast blockchain switching. These reflect the ultimate pursuit of the performance of the Welups public chain. We also published Chainbase, a database product for the blockchain system based on the excellent interface design of the data storage module. It supports the switching of data engines between LevelDB and RocksDB, as well as the customized development of data engines only needed to implement the corresponding interface set. Welups blockchain currently adopts DPoS as the consensus algorithm, which enables a maximum of 2,000 TPS. Blocks are categorized as solidified and unsolidified block to tap the performance potential of the blockchain. It can reduce the limits of the CAP theory of distributed systems and give the most consideration to data availability and consistency. Solidified blocks cannot be rolled back. Unsolidified blocks contain the latest transaction data. Full nodes provide data inquiry services for both types of blocks to meet various needs from users. We have designed an excellent on-chain governance mechanism that attributes to the implementation of the DPoS algorithm. Also, through the decentralization election, Welups public chain produces two types of roles, super representative and super representative partner, and they participate in the on-chain governance. An SR and SRP can vote, initiate votings for specific proposals, and other SRs and SRPs can give their opinions to the proposals through voting. Double spend attacks has always been the issue that needs to be treated strictly in the history of the public blockchain. Welups has the TAPOS mechanism to defend this type of attack. It's got WRC10 token support, WVM and smart contracts. There's a resource model. If you want to look over the core applications in Welups ecosystem, like the overview, wallet clients, blockchain explorer, dApp, testnet, and then the Wels ecosystem growth and the future of Well, you could check that out on their full white paper. You can find that at developers.wellscan.io. And then they go over full details too about the token, account model, build node, HTTP API, Welups CLI, Welups SDK, Faucet Welups, and wallets. You can check that out all in their document section. Also check out their coin market cap, where they're almost up 40% right now, and Welups.com as well. And check out their socials too. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Welups? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.